When I was a young child, my parents had a bakery business in Washington Heights, New York. And when I was about 5 years old, there was a fire in the supermarket next door which burned down the supermarket as well as my parents' store. The insurance company shortchanged my parents, and as a result of that, they were not able to reopen their bakery. And my father, for the next 5 or 6 years, worked a series of very difficult jobs. Several years he worked in a chemical factory, and I remember him coming home from work with these horrible chemical burns on his hands. Watching the hardship that my parents went through as a result of their insurance company basically cheating them, it was one of the things that instilled in me a sense of justice, a sense of wanting to make sure that people are not mistreated by the legal system. When I see a client being treated unfairly by an insurance company, it brings back to me the experience that I had as a child. I look at that person as family and wanting to do everything that I can do to help them, seek justice for them.
My son Bobby loved going for rides in his Jeep on a daily basis. Bobby was killed in a DWI car accident. His death totally devastated my life. It's something that still hasn't gone away. Upon arriving at the hospital, it was the most horrible thing I've ever gone through in my life. Tom assured me that he would take care of everything. We had a very good outcome with the case itself and with the settlement as well. Tom very much was there if I ever needed to talk. He made sure that I didn't need anything. If I did, he was there to help me get through all of that. Tom Schimmerling treated me like I was family. I would recommend him to anybody who's in a situation such as mine.
The people involved in these very serious accident cases have a lot of worries. And what I try to do is always treat them with kindness and compassion and let them know that they can always come to me if they're concerned about something involving their case or involving their lives.
My biggest fear is that I would be stuck in a nursing home for the rest of my life. He went right to work. I mean, right to work. He didn't back down. That's the way he does things. That's Tom. That's his personality. They put everything into a case. He's awesome. I can't say enough about the Schimmerling Law Officer. If you ever need a lawyer, get a hold of Tom. It's worth it, trust me. He will fight for you.
If you've been injured, come in and talk to me. You won't find anyone who cares more, who fights harder, or who wants to do more to make sure that you're made whole.